Oh, can anybody hear me?
Hi, Judge Keeling.
Yes.
Hi, how you doing, Beverly?
I'm fine, thanks.
Good to see you again.
You too.
Yeah. Okay, are there any commissioners on right now? We'll just wait around and see if they show up.
Commissioner Coleman is here.
Hi, Commissioner Coleman. Okay. Are there any other commissioners? Okay, good. Let's go on the record. First, I would like to ask everyone to mute themselves unless they're speaking, and that'll cut down on the noise level and prevent the audio feedback. And if you don't have a mute button or perhaps can't find it, I believe that the *6 button will also mute and unmute your phone. Today is August 11th, 2022. The Missouri Public Service Commission has set this time for a local public hearing in a case, file number WR-2022-0345, which is captioned as "In the Matter of Argyle Estates Water Supplies Request for a Water Rate Increase." The Commission has scheduled this local public hearing to give members of the public a chance to comment about Argyle Estates' application. The Missouri Public Service Commission regulates the rates charged by public utility companies in Missouri to ensure that those rates are just and reasonable. The Commission also regulates the quality of service and safety of the operations of public utilities. The Commission is made up of 5 commissioners. The commissioners are appointed by the governor to fixed terms and confirmed by the Senate. The commissioners employ a staff of engineers, accountants, attorneys, financial analysts, and other specialists in the field of utility regulation. My name is Ross Keeling. I'm a regulatory law judge for the Commission, and I'll be presiding over this hearing. And with me today are Commissioner Coleman, and are there any other commissioners in that have come in after that? No, just Commissioner Coleman. This is an official hearing of the Missouri Public Service Commission, and the statements and testimony of witnesses will be recorded by a court reporter and must be given under oath. All of the commissioners will have the opportunity to read the witnesses' remarks, and additionally, I'll brief the commissioners on what was said here tonight. And the commissioners value your comments and input. Commissioners, Commissioner Coleman, would you like to make any opening remarks?
Can you hear me by any chance?
I can hear you, Commissioner.
Okay, great. It's sometimes hard to unmute, only that we appreciate those who are there tonight to provide us with information regarding this. Thank you for your time and attention to this matter. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Commissioner. Okay, note that the commissioners will not be able to answer any of your questions today because they have to remain impartial until after all the evidence is presented at the evidentiary hearing, if there is one. And the commission has not made any decisions in this case. The commission is interested in your comments and will use them to help make their decision. I'll begin by asking council to enter their appearance for the record. And do we have the commission staff, councils for commission staff?
Karen Bretz for commission staff, and with me is our summer law clerk, Ethan Dwyer, DWYER, and also is another staff person, David Spratt.
Okay, thank you. And do we have any?
Commissioner Holzman's here.
Hello, Commissioner. I have just gotten past opening remarks for the commissioners. Do you have any opening remarks from that you would like to present at the hearing?
Thank you, Judge. Just want to thank everybody for showing up today and giving us their opinions, and we do listen and we appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll resume with entries of appearance. Are there any attorneys here from the Office of the Public Counsel?
Lindsay Van Gerpen on behalf of OPC.
Good evening. And is there anyone here representing Argyle Estates, either an attorney or Mr. Argyle?
Just Mr. Argyle, the only one.
Well, good evening, Mr. Argyle. Okay, now the process will be to call the names listed on the sign-up sheet in the order they appear. And ordinarily I'd tell you what to do, but we do not have anybody listed on our sign-up sheet for testimony this evening. But ordinarily I would call that person's name and they would go ahead and unmute their phone or their computer, and then I'd place them under oath and ask them to state and spell their name, and then they would offer their comments to the commission. Now, there is no one on our sign-up sheets. Is there anyone at the hearing right now who would have any questions or would have any comments or testimony to provide at the hearing? Okay, hearing none, I will move on. I'd like to thank anyone who came to the hearing and anybody who participated in the hearing today for their participation. If they have any comments, or if they would like, or if they know someone who could not be present or would like to comment, if they would please have them make those written comments through the Public Service Commission's website. And of course, there's the email address used to register for this hearing at watersewercomments@psc.mo.gov, or going to the PSC's webpage and clicking on the Submit Comments link in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Be sure to include the file number of this case in your comment, which is WR-2022-0345. If you'd like to contact the Office of the Public Counsel, you can do so by writing them an email at mopco@opc.mo.gov. Is that still a correct email address, Ms. Van
I believe
Gerpen?
so.
Okay.
I believe so.
Thank you very much. And hearing no other comment or content, I want to thank everyone for their participation. Thank you, commissioners, for coming. Do you have any other comments aside from those comments that you've already made?
No comments, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner Holtzman. Okay, and hearing no others, this hearing is now adjourned and we are off the record. Thank everyone.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you very much.